Quick video to show you guys how to merge cells. So what you do, so I'm just going to type out like a couple names here. I'm just making them up. Tina, Chris, Hank. And say this is like the working schedule, right? So let's just do the working schedule. And this is like kind of the way you would use this is kind of, at least for the most part, when I use it, it's really just kind of like for a formatting thing. So say Tina is supposed to work 23, 2020. And let's just keep it simple. I'm just dragging down and it autofills for me. But if you double click between the two lines here, right, like C and D, notice that how it kind of auto fits, and then you don't really see the working schedule here. If we want to make this look nice, right, bold, maybe italicize, maybe load, I don't know. Okay, so if we wanted to put this over both the names and the date, all you do is highlight. So I'm starting right now where my word is in C3. I'm going to highlight into D3. And then right up here, merge and center. And there you go. So you can even add like a color to it if you wanted to. You make it a little bit fancier. I just did Control A. And then I went down to all borders, things like that. So that's where you would use merge and center. If you wanted to get rid of that for whatever reason, just click it again and it'll get smaller. And you're not limited to 2. You can actually merge in a pretty wide range here. So it merging cell only keeps the upper left. Yes, right. So it was just warning me that it was going to delete the other values that I had here. But I'm just kind of showing you in this example. So in this, if you decide to kind of merge a wide area and you're trying to maybe write something and make it look neat, then you can kind of take advantage of this section up here, which would be, you know, the working schedule. So I aligned it to the left, and I can move it to the middle or the top left, or if I wanted this smack in the middle. So all by the alignment up here is where all this formatting would go. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. I hope this was helpful. Please make sure you give us a like if you like what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.